Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to build a platform just like this. You see, it's very easy to make money from the internet these days, but there's something holding a lot of people back, and which is be able to figure out what will give them the money and how will they generate the income. So, and that because of that, a lot of people are letting money behind the internet. So how do you grab the money that is supposed to be your own from the internet? You can actually do that by showcasing something out there and then get the money in return. You see, when you give value, you make money. When you do not give value, there's no money for you. And you continue chasing the shadow. See, a lot of you guys have been on the internet world or the internet space for a long time and trying to make money. The truth is that not majority of you have made money and some of you have made few money. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this, and with the help of DS Code. So DS Code is a platform which is going to show you guys the possibility of making money with no code. Okay, so this particular tutorial and this my channel is going to be teaching you how you can build a platform without knowing anything about coding, and that is what we're going to talk about. And then, so if you win, I win. You understand? So the only thing you can do for me is by subscribing to my channel, turn on the notification so you can receive a notification whenever I drop my new video. And also this particular video you're watching, end up watching this video, and if this video is helpful to you, what you just need to do is to like the video. But if this video is not helpful in any way to you, you can also dislike the video. In that way, I will understand that the content I'm creating is not helpful to the society, to the individuals that watch it. So I will know what to do. And also drop your comment wherever or whenever you see that, okay, I'm doing something bad, this thing is not working, this is not okay, and then make sure you drop it at the comment section so I can make changes. I'm ready to learn because I'm come only here to teach you and we start learning. So this is the interface of what we are going to learn today in DS Code. Okay, DS Web Code is going to teach us how to learn and how to build a platform like this. So when you come to this platform, um, you can see what as AI and the rest. So like, let me scroll down. You can see this platform can generate image like this or better image like this for you. Okay, and this platform can write with a blog post. You can use it to create a blog post, and the rest is just AI tools, AI assistant, which can do everything for you. So, so like it's going to be like this, and then if I come to this, it's going to see the way it look like. With why this is looking different is that this one with extra help of code, okay, to make it the interface look like this. So this is everything you're going to get: article generating, blog intro, and all this song release, TikTok video script, and the rest. So you are going to get all these things, and if you click more, it's going to take me to login dashboard where you're going to get even more details of it. So I'm going to teach you guys how to create a platform like this. So let me log in, and then I'm going to go to the customer, then click login. So I want to show you guys, this is the customer dashboard. I want to log in right now. I'll show you guys how the customer dashboard is going to look like. All right, the customer dashboard is going to look like this. Okay, so the customer dashboard is going to look like this. So this is how your customer dashboard is going to look like. So your customers can do all these activities. So with help of this, everybody will want like to use your website to generate TikTok video, to generate blog posts, TikTok scripts, and YouTube scripts, and the rest, many more. So people would like to use these scripts, and when people are using this script, they will pay for subscription, and you will still make money from Facebook, Google ads. So this is two way of making money, guys. You can make money from this two way, and your customers can invite people with affiliate referring, with referral link, that's with affiliate system, and then they make commission. Because of that, they want to spread the good news out there. You guys understand me? So they want to spread the good news out there. If you come to this subscription here, so let me show you guys standard then and see how I'm able to make money from this. If I'm going to pay for monthly subscription on this platform, okay, now see, this is a free package. So on all this free package, you can see the limitation of free package, and then you now come to the paid package. Now see the paid package here now, $27 per month, and then this is what they're going to get. Then $30 per month, and this is what I'm going to get. You can set a price higher than this. You understand? You can set a price higher than this. So you can come to the prepaid package. You see how the prepaid package work. Okay, so the lifetime package, and you set your price around this. So you look at the AI assistant platform and see how they set their price, and they make your own price better than their price to drive the traffic to your platform. Okay, so this is all what we're going to do today. So let's dive into the platform and start building it. And first of all, let me show you guys how much this particular platform I'm going to build costs to buy it. This platform, to buy the script, it costs $39. But do you know what I'm going to do on DS Web Code today? For those of you that are going to click the link below to buy this particular system, you're going to get it for the rate of $9. Okay, so you're going to get it in just a rate of $9. And don't forget, I'm sure you guys everything, and the reason you need to buy for $9 is going to come with the activation code. Yes, trust me, it's going to come with activation code, and which is very good for your business. So now I'm going to go to my cPanel for us to start the building. So I'm going to go to my cPanel now. All right, I'm trying to log in. All right, it's loading. Okay, so the link to this particular web hosting will be on the video description. I'm using Namecheap, and if you use my link in the description, you're going to get discounts if you buy no Namecheap subscription or domain today. So here I'm using Namecheap. Okay, so I'm going to now go to File Manager. Okay, first of all, I need to create a domain. So because I need to create a subdomain that we'll use for this particular tutorial. So I'm going to go to domain, so, and create a domain, and I want to call my domain demo. So I'm going to a new create a new domain, and here I want to input the name I want the listen to be. I can just say DS. So let's use DS Web. So I'm going to put DS Web, and then we're going to select the destination of which domain we want it to associate with. Yeah, we want to say, okay, we want this DS Web to be associated with social domain. So dot. So I want DS Web to be associated with DS copy, okay, or I want it to associate with. All right, I want it to associate with DS Web to associate with warpspin.com. Okay, so this is my domain. Now my domain is dsweb.warpspin.com. That is my domain, and the reason why it's like this because I know a lot of you don't really, some of you don't really need knowledge about website and domain and the rest. And domain is our web address, which is going to load on the internet. So remember, when you have a house, you need address. So I'm going to submit this web address now. I'm going to submit it to create a subdomain. This is called subdomain. So this is not the main domain because it's subdomain. Okay. So, and also we can create a file subdomain as well. But in this tutorial, I'm creating a subdomain because we'll be using this subdomain for constant teaching. So now we have created this subdomain. If we open our subdomain now out there, let me look for a subdomain. Here is our subdomain. So if I click on this subdomain, this is the way it's going to look like. Okay, it's going to be like this. There's nothing and nothing unique about it. There's no file, nothing on it. So now we want to go to the file manager of this. So now I've opened it and we are going to the root directory of this particular domain. Here is the root directory of it, so which is the file manager. Okay, this is the file manager, and also it's called root directory. Okay, for those of you that don't know about it. So now that we are here, what we are going to actually do right now is to upload the code. You guys understand me? We are going to upload the code to the server. Then we just need to come to this upload button here. So when we go to that upload, we come to select file. So we're going to select the file from the destination where it is. Okay, so here we have file here. I can now, this is the file here. If I click, uh, okay, that is the file. So but this file here is too large. I hope you guys understand me. The file is too large. So what I would recommend you to do is copy some part like this. Any file you want to upload that is more than 100 upward, to make it easy for you, then just come and then copy, like select the file, just come to the ending of the file and then select some of the file and then zip them together. Okay, so I have done that. Now since I've done that, I'm going to click this particular first one and then click upload, then go back, click second one, upload, go back, click the third one, upload. So because I've zipped it in different parts, in different spaces, like 3 parts, I've zipped it, and I need to upload every single part of it. So let me go to, I want to show you guys an example of how to zip it. You understand? Um, yeah, I'm trying to look for where I can locate. That's fine. All right, let's use this as an example. Let's use this as example. So, okay. It's as it is like this now. If I click like this, I can zip this particular file by clicking like this and say add to archive. So before this, you need to have WinRAR on your phone or on your system. So if you're using mobile phone, have WinRAR. If you're using system, have WinRAR. So this will help you to zip this file. So I will drop the link in the video description as well to make it easy for those of you that don't know it. So you see here, you zip this one, you zip this one. So when you zip it like this, it will help you to upload faster. You can see the 2D upload has been uploaded. Okay, so is first one is going, second one is going, the last one is 77 MB, which is high, while the first one is 30 MB. So if you look at it, 77 plus 30 is 100 plus, if I'm not mistaken. So, and that is why, because if I want to put it together, it will load to 100, but it will not show green, it will show red. And when it shows red, is fail, then I'll start again. It will happen the same thing. I'll continue asking myself, what is the problem? Why is it happening like this? And why is it not uploading? I'll be confused. You guys understand? I'll be confused and start asking questions, beating around the bush. So that is why I want it to be easy for you guys and understand it. So for now, I'll pause this video as it's uploading and come back when we are done with the upload. Thank you guys for watching so far. So what you need to do for me right now, if you find this video helpful at this step, just smash the like button, yes, and then drop for the comment section, I find it helpful. Yes, thank you. That is how you can support me. Alright guys, so I'll still on it. The first one is 94 now, and why the last one is 35. So the upload is still going on, and we need to wait until we get all of them to the 100% showing green. So guys, let's keep on waiting. Alright, we have successfully uploaded it to 100%. You can see here everything here is now showing green, so that means we have successfully uploaded. So we're going to click this, go back here, say go back to the home page slash. So we're going to go back now. Okay, so when we go back, we're going to be on this particular page, and which we need to extract the whole file. So we'll start with extracting the one, and then we'll click extract. So we extract. But there's something I want to show, because of some of you that you may be using mobile phone. So when you highlight the particular one like this, if you're using mobile phone, look at the top somewhere like this. You're going to see extracts at the top. Okay, so you click the extract and then you close. After extract, you go to the last one, you go to extract, extract file, and you wait for it to extract. So while it's extracting, please do not close the window if you're on mobile phone. But if you're on desktop, you can go and do other things. If you're on laptop, you can do other things. But on mobile phone, please make sure you do not close it. So now we have extracted successfully. So I want to delete this tray. It's not useful to us anymore. So we're going to click delete file. So now I have deleted that tray. But now let's load this particular let's go to our website now. That is our domain name, and paste it on Google. All right, guys. There's this mistake which I did, and the mistake is that if you look at here, you see that the site is not loading. And what is the cause of this site not loading? We have uploaded everything. So the cause is that I did not my subdomain I created. When I created it, I forgot that my name server is not basic name server. I use advanced, on which maybe next video I'll show you guys if you want to use advanced name server, because when it comes for SSL certificate, that particular simple lock you're seeing on a website, let's say visit a website like this, something. Now somewhere right here you're going to see, okay, see this lock you see here. So I did add the in record. So because of that, that lock is not there. Okay, so because of that, the lock is not there. So and now to add that lock, what you're going to do is that you come down here, so you add the domain name here. So when you add the domain here like this, and then you're going to come down here and then add your IP address. Okay, so you add your IP address here and then click add. So I have done that now, but you still see that it's not yet loading. We need to give at least 30 minutes. Sometimes 1 hour, and some case is 24 hours. So now we'll go on break and wait for 30 minutes and then come back and see if our site is good to go. So guys, thank you guys for watching so far. Break and wait for 30 minutes and then come back and see if our site is good to go. So guys, thank you guys for watching so far. All right guys, remember we are waiting for the subdomain we created to start working, and that's why we paused for a while. But the truth is that after waiting up till now, the it is not yet start working, and which I told you guys sometimes it take half an hour or 24 hours before it work. So I don't want to suspend this video, so I switched to a main domain name. So I quickly got a domain name, which is this Ify. There is Ify PJ Fashion Control. So I got this domain name. I said, okay, let me use this domain name and then continue with this tutorial by showing you guys what we have already started. So now we are going to use a new domain name, guys. We are using a new domain name, and here is the domain name. And you can see this error is because I have not installed SSL certificate on this domain, but fine, we can actually perform what we want to do with it by clicking the advanced and then go to uh, recognize this audio, because now we trust that this particular this thing is good and there's nothing wrong with the domain. Okay, so and if to activate my SSL certificate, you can see here, this is where you can activate it. As you can see, it's already activated but not yet working SSL. Okay, so you can see here, this is the files that we just uploaded. This 1 2 3 files we uploaded to the server. Okay, so we have uploaded this file and then to this particular server here. Here is the file. So let's go back as we did previously, and we're going to extract it again. Also, I'm a coach that will take you to every step, even where things don't work. I will make sure I show you in case if you encounter such thing, not to edit and bypass the whole step, and then later on when you start facing that particular challenge, and you will be able to solve it. So I'm not that kind of coach. Okay, so I've extracted one, so I'm going to extract the two. Then there is going for the tree. And remember, the tree is huge. All right, let's wait is few seconds for the tree to load. Okay, we're still waiting. Okay, so we have loaded the tree, but let me remind you guys something. If you have a bad network, if you see my own, it's loading fast now, but when you have bad network, it will load fast. So now we are loading the website. Now this is the domain name. So let's wait and see the result, because now we have extracted. You can see here this is the result we're having here, installation. So we need to install the script, and what do we need to use and install it? We need database name, database user, and then database password and database host name. So now these things has been checked, okay, and then everything is, this particular one is showing that everything is included inside the script we uploaded, and then next. Okay, proceed to next step. So it's going to check the things that are supposed to be inside that script folder to make sure that everything works perfectly. And anyone that is not there, is going to mark red. Okay. So when you mark red, that means your script is not complete. So you can see here, checking permission. So you can see here, everything here is all green. So these things need to be able inside the script as well to work. So you click next. So when you click next, you're going to also wait for it to also load. And then while it's loading, let's be doing something else. And what is that thing we need to do? We need to create our database. So now I'm just want to create a database. So let's go back to our hosting. So when we come back to the hosting, okay, first of all, let me delete this because I don't really need it and it's going to be slowing down my website. So I'm going to delete it by marking it and then click the delete button up here, and then you check mark the box that okay, you don't want to save it inside your hosting and get rid of it. So now we'll come down here and go to tools. Remember, we're using Namecheap, and then the link will be in the video description. The list of hosting will be there, and all of this the same process. But if you want to use Namecheap, you can go ahead, guys. So because Namecheap is a good server. And remember, we want to create a database, so you need to scroll down and then scroll down. You see database wizard, and you can see database. So you can either use database or database wizard. But I love using database wizard because it's simple for me. It make the work simple and easy for me. Okay, like I do everything in one row instead of do and then go and add and the rest. So maybe in next video I'll show you guys how to do in manual database. So I'm going to just do like this now and say okay, and then click next. So when I click next, just do something like this. Here I'm going to generate my password. Okay, so I'm going to generate the password, and then when you generate the password, make sure you copy the password. Okay, so I'm going to copy the password. Sorry, I think the website have not loaded successfully because, well, let's reload it. It's going to take us to a purchase. Okay, so here is the issue here now. This is the for the purchase. Okay, and here we cannot bypass this purchase. If I go like this and then type any random number, you can see it's going to show error. If I type the number to reach, okay, and then click again, let's see. Loading, 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 loading. Okay, it's loading. Okay, network is getting a bit slow. So let's hold on. So though after the loading, it won't go. And that's why you need to purchase from that particular platform. They are going to give you a code like this. So when they give you this particular code that I just copied now, you are going to paste the code inside like this. Let me reload this thing again. So when I give you that code, you're going to input that code. So when you input that code, it's going to be activated. And remember, that code is different from everyone else. So the code that comes with my own will not work for you. And then here is the code. So I'm going to select developer and I'm going to click proceed. So whether I select developer or products, all are the same thing. Okay. I don't actually see any difference there. So what here now we are going to use the database name and database username and database password. So let's go back to here. We copy the database password, we input it here, then we come back and say and let the system know that we have copied it, and here it's going to load and show green. So here we're going to copy the database name, So because that is the first one we created. The first one we created is database name. So we paste it here. Remember now we are about to create a database user. You can see it here, username. So and I'm going to click this create user. Okay, so let's wait while it loads. So now I've created a database user and I'm going to copy it and then paste it here. But remember here now, I cannot make use like I can't click this continue now because if I click continue, I'm going to get error. Yeah, and what I need to call here, I want it to select this all privilege. Then I'll click make changes. Okay, so I make changes to the all privilege. So I give this the privilege to it. Then after I've done that, I will now come and click next. So when I click next, it's going to set up the database because like it's going to link with the script is going to link to a database in my hosting panel. So because right now the script is not connected to the hosting panel, which nothing will work because the database or for the back end will not connect and it can't work or run any activity. Even if you are installing WordPress, the database must be connected. But one thing is that you are not going to understand that because the database is going to be automatically connected. So now the database has successfully connected. Please run. So now I'm going to click the run here. Okay. So when we click this run, is going to also continue is running all the script, like matching all the script together. That's what is going to happen now, and we're going to wait while that is happening. And after that, is going to redirect us to a admin configuration. Okay, this is it here. So here is admin configuration. So when we're on an admin configuration here, we need to put a user name for the admin. We can like if we like we can call it admin. Let me just call it admin. So you can call it admin like this. Then admin password. So let me just use this as admin password. Admin, but please, so when you're putting your admin name, do not give space. Okay. So now I need password. So let me just put this as password. Although this particular site will not be useful to me because after the tutorial, I'm going to erase everything and then do another tutorial with particular domain name as well. So this domain name is for a tutorial purpose. All right, you can see congratulations, we have done, and let's open our site by clicking the browse. And here, if we say admin panel, is going to take us to the admin panel. So let's click the admin panel. We are having a difficulty of network, and network was very okay, but the weather has changed. It's like it's gonna rain in my area here, and due to that the network has been bad, like very bad. Now I must finish the video, sure. So if you have not liked this video, please do that. If you find the video interesting, I know network issue would make the video sucking and like so tired watching and rest, but it's not my fault. And me editing different parts, you won't love it, but you won't learn. You won't learn better. Yeah. All right, guys, congratulations. We are on the home page, and you can see we have actually gotten what we want. So this is it here. I've gotten everything that we want. So Let's look. The admin panel is still loading. So, but guys, you have actually gotten the results. And then in my next video, I will teach you guys how to set up the admin panel. Okay. Although the script will come with a documentation that will teach you every step on how to do setup on the admin panel. Yes, it's going to come with it. But I will do a video tutorial teaching you guys how to set up the admin panel in my next video. But let's wait a little bit for the admin panel to successfully load. But for now, we have actually gotten everything. I see blog title and the rest. View more template, you log in, then you have access to everything. So this is what the template can do: blog content, social media, website content, media in Telegram, TikTok, and the rest. So this is what the system can do for you. Watch out for my next video, guys. The network is very, very bad and sucking, and which I'm also pissed off with it. Yes, and me waiting just like wasting your data and making you spend much time. So, but this is actually what we want. The video will be dropped by tomorrow on how to set up the admin dashboard before we proceed. Remember, in any tutorial we have started, I will make sure I finish it from beginning to the end before we move to the next step. So I will not suspend you, will keep you waiting and start doing another thing. So I will drop the video by tomorrow on how to set up the admin panel. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video interesting, please do smash the like button, okay, and drop your comment in the comment section, and whatever you want me to improve on, please make sure you drop it on the comment section. I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Thank you, and love. Peace out.